Yes, I know you edit the whole day to polish up your social media content, but what if we don't have the whole day? Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and in this video I'm going to show how you, through your smartphone, can create videos in less time and save your precious time so that you can spend the rest of the day doing something else. So when you open Filmora, you're going to see this feature right here, which is called the auto cut. And right here, you have to select all the clips that you are going to use in this particular project, alright? And after that, I have to select this option right here so that I can import all these files. Alright, so right now, my dear friends, while the files are still uploading, let us do something right here, okay? Alright, so right here, you are going to select the preset type of theme that you would like to create. For example, right, you can say you have the epic, travel, cinematic, sport, party, love, vlog, gaming, and so forth. Okay, so right here for this example right here, I'm going to select the spot and see how is it going to do for me here. And when you move down right here, you are going to find the modes you can choose from: hopeful, sad, emotional, exciting. Okay, so right here, I think because I have chosen the sport theme, I can also choose right here the exciting music. It is going to work better with the sport. Okay, and right here, as you can see on the sound, I can choose the background music, or if the imported videos has the sounds already, you can choose the original. Okay, but for my videos right here, they are completely mute, so I'm going to choose the BGM, which is the background music. All right, and when you move down right here, you are going to find the aspect ratio of which is the type of the video that you'd like to create. The standard ratio of the YouTube videos, the 1.1 Instagram, and the Facebook Reels, and all the stuff. Okay, alright, so as you move downwards, you're going to see again this section right here, which is the music style. Okay, so right here, I think I can choose between all the electronic one. Okay, and down here you're going to find the musical instrument type. Okay, and then after that I go generate. Okay, alright my dear friend, right here you do nothing else but to relax and fold your hands and see the video and the magic being generated for you. Alright, now 100%. Okay, so as you can see right here, you have this option right here. There are two options for the different music type that you can choose either one of these two. Okay, so for this example right here, I think I can go with this one right here, and then instead of exporting my project, my dear friend, listen carefully. This is the very important part. I'm not going to export the video right now, but I'm going to go to the project edit so that I can do something extra that you need to know. Okay, alright, so right here you are going to see your project being imported right here, just as a usual timeline. You're going to edit something here. Okay, alright, so I think right here, my dear friend, what I need to do is when I was selecting my files on the importing, they were not selected or uploaded in the right order. Okay, so right here I have to arrange them in the very correct order, because this is actually a sign of the process of how the coffee is being made. All right, so which means we start from this side and then end onto this side. All right, so right here I have to move this clip right here backwards on the starting point, and then on the following I have to select also this clip right here so that it moves as the second scene of the whole video. All right, so let me just fast forward the whole scene right here, and then I show you after that, which is going to be the next step. Okay, alright, so now I'm done arranging my clips. Now when you check carefully, you find out that this AutoCAD editor here is done a great job for us. Each and every video, each and every scene is being cut to the beat. Okay, so whenever it cuts to the next scene, it's right on the beat. For example right here, let me play just a beat for you right here. As you can see, it actually going to cut, it cuts right on the beat. Alright, so now let's move on to the next step that you need to do right here. Alright my dear friends, so just to make the whole video more appealing, I'm going to try to add some transitions right here. For example right here, you can just tap this option right here so that it opens for you the option so that you can add some transitions. Alright, so right here I have to search from the basic, the spring, dissolve, glitch, and all these ones right here. So you just have to select which one works best for that particular video. Alright, like for myself right here, I think I can choose this one right here, and then just try to do the transition process again while on fast forward. Okay, alright my dear friends, so this is again another step for you to do so that you can make your video actually more appealing. Alright, so right here you have to add some text. Okay, so this is very simple. Again, it's going to be a very simple thing again, my dear friend. For you, you just have to select this option right here so that you can add a text. Alright, so right here I'm going to add a text right here, my dear friend, and from this option right here I can choose the style, and right here you can actually choose and change the font. Alright, so right here again, my dear friend, you can choose or change the template. Okay, and right here, my dear friend, you can actually do some animations right here, but for this example right here I'm not putting any animations. Okay, so the next thing right here is to export using this option right here, so that I can actually show you the actual preview. But if this video was really helpful to you, my dear friend, just hit the like button to help the growth of this channel.